I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin just under 40,000. The bulls need this level back. Let's start off here, 2-day chart. So the higher time frames always win. Bitcoin had this double top, broke to the downside. The measured move, which we talked about, was about 38,500, which is close. I mean, it actually came down here to about the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. There's pretty good support down here at this level. So, if we do see further downside, we're going to zoom in for some more information. But again, you really want to see the bulls gain that $40,000 key support resistance level back, right, for upside ideas. So now if we zoom in, this is the 8-hour chart. I have this falling wedge. Remember, when these patterns, you have to understand how one pattern potentially changes to the next. And so if you look at this as a descending triangle, right? But when a descending triangle breaks lower, which they're supposed to, right? 64% chance that they break to the downside. What happens is it can turn into a falling wedge real easy. So you get this falling wedge based on this idea. Now, there's definitely room for that move, that measured move, 38,500 down here. Okay. The question is, when we zoom into the 30-minute chart, will Bitcoin bulls, we put in some type of bounce here. You could get some decent altcoin trading. Again, we're talking about short-term. So when Bitcoin's in a macro downtrend, you're talking about short-term stuff. Jump in, jump out, right? So this support holds. You could see some good altcoin trading. Like, remember, I'm not a big Bitcoin trader, but Bitcoin's a driver. So we want to see Bitcoin hold this key level, right? If it doesn't happen, again, you could see that move to the downside. But will we first get, kind of have this like inverse head and shoulders forming, right? If you do get this breakout, the measured move target right here is the distance here. So, potentially 41,000 is in the cards, which would give us some decent altcoin trading. So again, 40,000 level is key to watch for Bitcoin. The bulls need to show up here. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, he said, I started trading about a year ago. I started with 1,000. And now I'm up to about $55,000. At one point, he was up to about $99,000, but he paid for his furnace, his electric, his plumbing, his bathroom, he's been paying bills, 2 kids, wife, 2 dogs, and a cat. He had no job, and he paid for everything as part of what he learned in the group. And this is why I do this. If you haven't 55 extra money yet, give it time, right? There's a learning curve. Bitcoin has not been amazing. We've had 100 days of just getting our teeth kicked in. We've had some shorts in the group that have been very profitable. When Bitcoin bounces, like we hit all these winners, you've got to be in this market at the right time, in the right coins, and learn it now. This person said, feeling blessed. I get to do this now, spending time with his child, instead of working 7 days a week like I did, like his dad, right? He has no memories like this with his dad because his dad was constantly working. It's not about the money. This is about the freedom. This person, he made $5,500 last week. It normally takes him 2 months to make this at his job. Huge. This person finally add both of these portfolios together on different exchanges. He finally got to 7 figures, $1 million in crypto. Banging. Listen, I'm going to continue running the New Year's special, 60% off plus $100 discount. Make sure, change your life. New Year's resolution. Get rich in crypto. If you're interested in joining my cryptocurrency trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net. If you pay with cryptocurrency for 6 months or 12 months, it's 50% off. If you pay for the year, you get 1 additional month for free. You can always choose to pay on a monthly basis from month to month with a card. Just click this link. Or if you go down to the description, you can click this link to the website. If you have any questions or you need to email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. We'll get you on the team today. Ripple comes out, XRP, they gained an edge versus the SEC. Bottom line with this is, if XRP wins this trial, right, if they win this lawsuit, then you'll see an uptick in the price of XRP. Could you imagine XRP getting added back to all the exchanges? XRP is a coin where it's a heavy coin, right? It's a larger market cap coin. XRP already had a 30,000% run up year. And over a year, it ran up 300x, right? So it's heavy. It's going to take a lot to move XRP, right? So, I mean, if you're an XRP holder, for XRP to double or triple in value, it's going to take a lot of movement. A lot of money has to buy in. Understand that I'm really hooked on these small caps. Now, the small caps on Kucoin, right? You can make a ton of money, and then when the market pulls back, they pull back tremendously. So understand how these market caps work. You can't expect Bitcoin it's harder for Bitcoin to 10x, Ethereum to 10x than it is for. I've got a small cap at the end of the video I'm going to talk about. And these small caps have 10x potential. Again, you have to hit the right market cycle as far as what Bitcoin's doing, right? You can't expect to hold a small cap coin and make a ton of money while Bitcoin's getting wrecked, right? Understand how this market works. Bitcoin is the driver. It's going to drag these altcoins around like rag dolls. So understand that idea. But XRP, Ripple, needs to win this court case. New York Stock Exchange is considering a launch of an NFT marketplace, according to this trademark application. Listen, this is huge. I mean, could you imagine NFT marketplace trading on the New York Stock Exchange? The future is here. It's in front of us. Any day you look at your portfolio and you think, well, this is not amazing. I don't feel good about this. We're about to have the opportunity to buy Bitcoin, the equivalent opportunity of buying Bitcoin for a penny. We are here in this market before Metaverse, GameFi, NFTs completely explode. Be grateful for that. We're here before no one else. People don't see this. They have no idea what I'm talking about when I try to talk to them about this. They have no idea. A lot of people barely know what Bitcoin is. We're early. Remember that. Stay positive. Harmony launches Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT passport. So essentially, the upcoming NFT passports will feature cross-chain support. So the mainnet runs on Ethereum network, right? They're claiming to have 2-second transaction finality and fees that are 1,000 times lower than Ethereum, right? So people are super excited about this. Harmony 1 is the ticker. You have to know that they're constantly doing big things, and they're definitely a cryptocurrency to watch. Tribe 1, or HAKA, they've got a buyback and burning mechanism, right? They've launched this previously, but it's important to understand that this is deflationary. If they're buying back tokens and they're burning tokens, that's less in the coin supply. So that, again, is obviously positive for HAKA. Now, understand what HAKA is. Imagine a world that's completely metaverse and you own a bunch of NFTs. This is HAKA has added the equivalent with this NFT idea where you can borrow against your NFTs. And this is like the metaverse pawn shops. Like, you have to think people are always going to overextend themselves. It's like, I always joke because I say debt is the American dream in the United States. Like, people like to get way in over their heads. And so, again, you have the ability to borrow against your NFTs, like the NFT pawn shop. So HAKA, they have a lot of good ideas. I mean, again, you have to trade this according to the charts. It's going to play out and follow Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin has to be doing the right things. But HAKA setup, you had this breakout with volume earlier. I posted it in the trading group, and we had about 12% gains on it here. Now it's pulling back, and you're looking for a retest. So if you get a bounce down here at this level, I mean, you could see 10 cent, 11 cent, 12 cents out of HAKA. You've got this big double bottom that's possible, but the bulls have to put in a bounce right here for HAKA upside. Understand this idea. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.